Hey besties, it's your girl Vixen, back with another video. Are you ready to glow up in just 1 week? Whether it's for school, work, or just because you deserve it, I've got you covered with 100% working tips. This ultimate glow up guide to go from 0 to 100 in just 24 hours. Let's get started. Day 1. Set the tone set goals. Decide what you want to improve: skin, hair, posture, or energy. Hydration. Start drinking at least 2-3 liters of water daily. Add lemon for detox benefits. Declutter. Organize your wardrobe, school bag, and study area for a fresh start. Day 2. Skincare. Cleanse. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type morning and night. Exfoliate. Use a mild scrub or chemical exfoliant to remove dead skin cells. Moisturize. Apply a hydrating moisturizer to lock in glow. Face mask. Use a DIY mask like honey and turmeric to brighten your skin. Day 3. Hair care. Deep conditioning. Apply a nourishing hair mask. Example, coconut oil plus aloe vera. And rinse thoroughly. Trim split ends. A slight trim can make your hair look healthier instantly. Style. Check. Experiment with simple, neat hairstyles that suit your face shape. Day 4. Fitness and posture. Exercise. Do a 20 to 30 minute workout. Yoga, stretching, or light cardio. Posture practice. Stand tall with shoulders back and chin up. This boosts confidence instantly. Walk confidently. Practice walking with purpose and grace. Day 5. Nutrition boost. Glow foods. Eat more fruits, like berries and oranges, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Cut junk. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excess salt. Green tea. Drink green tea for its antioxidant properties. Day 6. Grooming and details. Eyebrows. Shape or clean up your brows to frame your face. Nails. File and paint your nails or keep them clean and polished. Lips. Exfoliate with a sugar scrub and apply a nourishing balm. Day 7. The final touch outfit. Planning. Choose outfits that make you feel confident and comfortable. Sleep. Well, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep for a refreshed look. Practice smiling. A genuine smile is the best glow-up secret. Bonus tips. Confidence is key. Speak kindly to yourself. Affirmations can work wonders. Perfume or body mist. Smell great. It enhances your presence. Be kind. Positivity makes you instantly more attractive to others. Stick to these tips and you'll look and feel incredible for school. And there you have it, your 7-day glow-up plan. Remember, the key to glowing up is consistency, self-love, and confidence. You've got this, queen. Let me know how your glow-up journey goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you slay every day. Stay glowing and see you next time.